in this video, we're going to be bringing you to the top best Oyo hotels in Pondicherry with the cheapest booking code so you can get the best hotel deal at the best price. The Oyo group of hotels is extremely budget friendly. They provide very clean, hygienic, comfortable rooms at a very reasonable cost. The hotel list is not in order, so make sure that you watch the video till the end so we can help you select the best hotel for your stay. Oyo La Bliss near Rock Beach. This hotel is located in the French colony, a white town of Pondicherry, which is the city center. It makes it completely accessible for you to explore this beautiful city. This hotel is extremely close to the railway station. It is walking distance away from the Rock Beach. All the tourist spots and the attractions are very close to the hotel itself. Some of the facilities provided by the hotel are a 24-hour front desk facility. They have an express check-in and check-out service, a 24-hour room service facility, an in-house restaurant which serves multi-cuisine. All the rooms here are extremely spacious, neat and clean. They are very well equipped with an AC, closet, linens and sofa. To get the best deal on this hotel, make sure that you check out the cheapest booking codes in our description below. Oyo JPM Guest House. This homestay is a complete value for money. If you are traveling anytime soon, this is a stop that you must stop and stay. This little paradise is very well equipped with all the basic and modern amenities to give you a home-like experience. Cleanliness and hygiene is their topmost priority. It is also located in the city center, so getting around here through public transport is very easy. The staff at the guest house is also extremely helpful and they can provide you with travel assistance. This homestay has a very well equipped kitchen, a living room and extremely spacious, comfortable rooms. To get the best deals on this stay, please make sure that you check out the cheapest booking codes in our description below. Oyo Townhouse Imperial Stay. This is an extremely budget-friendly, couple-friendly hotel in Pondicherry. The hotel provides with lovely services and essential amenities for their guests. They have an in-house restaurant which provides 24-hour room service and their fish thali is extremely famous at this restaurant. Since it is located in the city center, it makes it completely accessible for you to explore this beautiful city. This hotel provides with high-quality room facilities. It has a flat-screen TV, towels, desk, closet, free Wi-Fi access all over the hotel. The beds here are super soft and comfortable. Rooms are very spacious. If you're interested in booking this hotel, make sure you check out the cheapest booking codes in our description below. Oyo Signature Residency. For those of you looking out for a value for money accommodation, this property has everything that will make your stay memorable. It is exclusively designed keeping travelers in mind. They provide all the amazing facilities and services for their guests. They have an in-house restaurant which is a multi-cuisine restaurant which provides 24-hour room service, a 24-hour front desk facility, free Wi-Fi access all over the hotel. The rooms here have snuggly beds which are very comfortable and also trendy decor with comfortable furnitures. The rooms here have ample amount of space and they are very well equipped. You can also enjoy the beautiful city view from your room itself. To get the best deal on this stay, make sure that you check out the cheapest booking codes in our description below. Oyo Hotel Lilas County. For those of you looking out for a very comfortable stay, this is an extremely great choice of accommodation. This lovely property has everything that will make your stay extremely memorable. The hotel has an in-house bar, a coffee shop, a restaurant, a separate dining area. The rooms here are very comfortable with trendy decor and it also has comfortable furnitures. If you're interested in this hotel, make sure that you check out the cheapest booking codes in our description below. Have you dropped us your like button yet? If not, we really appreciate a thumbs up from your side. Also, do subscribe to our channel to get information about various hotel deals and for more travel tips. We've also compiled a list of the best resorts in Pondicherry and that video link is in our description below. Oyo Sri Abhirami Inn. This hotel is located in the city center of Pondicherry and you can make the most of it to enjoy all the town's attractions and activities. The hotel makes every effort to provide their guests with the best facility and services available. They have a 24-hour front desk facility, a 24-hour room service facility, housekeeping, an express check-in and check-out service, free Wi-Fi access all over the hotel. It is an ideal place for charm, comfort and convenience. The rooms here are very clean, extremely spacious and you can enjoy the beautiful city view from your room itself. To get the best deals, check out the booking codes in our description below. Oyo Santi Inn. This hotel is located in the white town French colony of Pondicherry, which makes it very accessible for you to explore this beautiful, lovely city. Public transport is easily available around the hotel. This hotel is about walking distance away from the beach. The hotel also provides airport transfers at an additional cost. It has a 24-hour front desk. It has a room service facility, free Wi-Fi access all over the hotel. They also have a tour desk available at the hotel where you can plan how you want to spend your day. This hotel offers an extremely hassle-free and relaxing stay. You also have an option to enjoy your breakfast in bed itself. Rooms here are very spacious and very well equipped with a TV, a separate seating area, a closet, and a private bathroom. To get the best deal on this stay, make sure that you check out the cheapest booking codes in our description below. Oyo Purple Resort. This is one of the most famous couple-friendly Oyo hotels in Pondicherry. This lovely hotel has everything to make sure that you have a memorable stay. It is exclusively designed keeping travelers in mind. The beds here are very soft, very snuggly, very comfortable. They also provide you with trendy decor and comfortable furniture. They have an in-house multi-cuisine restaurant, a separate dining area. You can avail the best deals on this hotel by clicking the booking codes in our description below. Oyo Jayam Nagar. This hotel is very well placed in the busy sightseeing area of Pondicherry. It is surrounded by all the beautiful beaches. It is very accessible for you to explore this beautiful city and take a break from your busy daily life. Some of the facilities provided by this hotel are a 24-hour front desk facility, a 24-hour room service facility. They also have breakfast options depending upon the category of room that you select. They also allow outside food deliveries, and it is a completely smoke-free property. Rooms here are very spacious and extremely well equipped with all the basic amenities. To make sure that you get the best deal on the stay, check out the booking codes in our description below. Oyo Flagship Golden Inn. This apartment is about less than a kilometer away from the railway station. This private and secure executive apartment offers modern interiors and appealing decor, high-speed internet, LED TV, AC, and a living room. It is recommended for corporate travelers visiting the city on a business trip. They also have an in-house chef to cater to your food choices and needs. It is an unbeatable combination of privacy, space, and very well equipped hangout areas. We also have a 24/7 customer support service available. This apartment has different categories of rooms available, and they are very well equipped with all the basic amenities: a TV, a closet, a desk, and also a king size bed. To make sure that you get the best deal on the stay, check out the booking codes in our description below. If you have visited any of these hotels, we'd love to hear your experiences in our comment section below. We wish you a safe and a wonderful stay. Bye bye.